So we will now learn about fill in the blanks in lesson number 1. So our first fill in the blank is to use number pad dash should be kept on. So the option are num lock, capital lock, scroll lock or none of these. So the right answer is to use number pad num lock should be kept on. So our second fill in the blank is in home row dash key is pressed with little finger of left hand. So the option are A, S, D or F. So the right answer is in home rows A key is pressed with the little finger of left hand. So our third fill in the blank is in home row dash key is pressed with middle finger of right hand. So the option are J, K, L or semicolon. So the right answer is in home row K key is pressed with the middle finger of right hand. So our fourth fill in the blank is in second row dash key is pressed with ring finger of left hand. So the option are Q, W, E, R. So the right answer is in second row W key is pressed with ring finger of left hand. So the fifth fill in the blank is in third row dash key is pressed with index finger of right hand. So the option are B, N, M and M, N. So the right answer is in third row M and N key is pressed with index finger of right hand. So now we will learn about very short answer type questions. So our first question is write the full form of WYSI, WYG. So the full form of these word is what you see is what you get. So the second question is write the shortcut keys to move text in a Word document. So the right answer is Control plus X and Control plus V key used to move text in a Word document. Our third question is write the name of 4 types of alignment. So the option are left, center, right and justify. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So our first question is what is touch typing? Touch typing is a technique that allows us to learn step-by-step typing with all fingers without looking at the keyboard. If we keep looking for the keys on the keyboard while typing, our typing speed will be much slower as a result. So as shown in the figure below, the keyboard is divided in 2 parts, one of the left hand and one for the right hand. So now our second question is describe the positions of our fingers on home row keys. The home row finger position is shown in the following picture. So place your finger in the home row position on your keyboard. So first of all, the little finger of our left hand would be on A key, ring finger on S key, middle finger on D key, index finger on F and on G key respectively. Similarly, little ring, middle and index finger of right hand should be on L, K, J and H key respectively. So our third question is what are the tips to improve typing speed? So the answer is tips to improve typing speed are as follow. So the first one is our hand or finger position should always be in home row. We must start from and return to this position. We should reach for other keys from the home row. So the second one is we should focus on accuracy, not on speed. Speed will come with time and practice. Don't look at the keyboard while typing. Fourth one is be ready, even pace and strive for accuracy. Fifth one is as we tap each key, we should say its letter or to ourselves. So our fourth question is while typing number from numeric keypad, which hand we should use? Explain the position of your finger on numeric keypad. So the answer is The right hand should be used when typing number from the numeric keypad. The position of the finger on the numeric keypad is as follows. The first one is the index finger is used for 1, 4 and 7 keys. The middle finger is used to press the 2, 5 and 8 keys. And the third one is the ring finger is used to press 3, 6 and 9 keys. And the fourth one is the little finger is used to enter the plus and minus keys. And the last one is the thumb is used to press the 0 keys. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So our first question is explain the proper posture while typing. So the correct way to sit while typing is as follows. The first one is we should sit up straight in front of the keyboard. Our feet should be straight on the ground. Monitor should be at our eye level. When typing, we should look at the monitor or the copy. Our finger must be curved and upright from our home keys. We should strike each key with a quick snap and then return to home position keys. So the second question is explain the following keys. First one is enter key, second one backspace key, third one is shift key. So first of all we read about enter keys. This key is used to move a new line. We use the smallest finger of our right hand to press the enter key. The second one is backspace key. This key is used to delete a character to the left of the cursor. We use the little finger of our right hand for this. The third one is shift key. This key is present on both the sides of the keyboard. It is used to type the capital letter of the English alphabet or the letter above the keys. If you want to type a capital letter with the left hand, press the shift button with the little finger of the right hand. And similarly, if you want to type the capital letter with the right hand, the little finger of the left hand is used. So now we will learn about fill in the blanks of lesson 2. So our first fill in the blank is Window Explorer has 2 panes. These are dash and dash. So the options are first, second, left, right, top, bottom, file or folder. So our right answer is Window Explorer has 2 panes. These are left and right. So second one is dash view tell about size, type and date of modified of a file. So the options are details, tiles, list or content. So our right answer is detail view show or tell about size, type and date of modified of a file. The third one is dash command is used to move an item from its types. So our option is copy, paste, cut or delete. So the right answer is cut command is used to move an item from its type. So the fourth one is a dash is a combination of picture, color and sound on our computer. So the option is background, desktop, screensaver or themes. So the right answer is a theme is a combination of picture, colors and sounds on our computer. The fifth one is a dash is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. So the options are background, desktop, screensaver or theme. So the right answer is a screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So our first question is which window application is used for management of files? So the answer is Window Explorer. Second one is what do we call a folder inside another folder? So the right answer is subfolder. Third one is what is a method of opening Window Explorer? So the right answer is window key plus E. So using this key we can open Window Explorer. So our fourth question is write the name of any default library of Windows. The right answer is document folder. Fifth one is which option is used to make a duplicate of an item. So the right answer is copy and paste option is used to make a duplicate of an item. So now we will learn about short answer type questions. So first question is how many pane does Window Explorer have? Write their name. So Window Explorer has 2 pane. These are left pane and right pane. So our second question is write the name of different parts of Window Explorer. So the following is a list of parts of Window Explorer. These are first one is title bar, second one back and forward button, third one address bar, fourth one search box, fifth one menu bar, sixth one toolbar, seventh one status bar. So third question is define file and folder. So file is the smallest unit to store data. To manage and organize file in the computer system, we use folder. Folder are also called directories. In Windows, we can also create new folder with the help of keyboard. Press the following keys together to create a new folder via the keyboard, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. So these keys are used to create a new folder. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So first question is what is Window Explorer? Give different ways to open Window Explorer. So the answer is Window Explorer is also called File Explorer. This is an important application of Windows operating system. It is used to view the drives, folder and files in a computer. So steps to open Window Explorer are the first point is press the window key plus R button together. The run box will open. In it, type Explorer. Click on the OK button. So our second question is explain different views of Window Explorer. So there are many ways to view files, folder and drive in Window Explorer. These different views are as follows. The first one is small icon view. Second one is medium icon view. Third one is large icon view. Fourth one is extra large icon view. Fifth one is title icon view. Sixth one is list icon view. Seventh one is detail icon view. Eighth one is content icon view. So now we will move to third question. What are the options to customize the desktop in a window environment? The right answer is with the help of personalization dialog box in window environment, we can customize the desktop. It provides the following option to change the appearance of desktop. The first one is screensaver. A screensaver basically consists of animated images. Screensavers were originally designed to help prevent phosphorus coating of older monitor from being burned. Second one is themes. It provides a combination of picture, color and sound on our computer. And the third one is desktop background. Desktop background consists of wallpaper. A wallpaper can be a background pattern or a picture which can be changed using this option. So our fourth question is how can we copy an item using the send to option. The send to option is an easy way to copy item to a new location. The steps for copying an item using the send to option are as follows. First one is select the item that we want to copy. Right click on the item. It will show a shortcut or property menu. In the property menu, click on the send to option as you see in the right side. From the newly opened submenu, select the location where the item is to be copied. So fifth question is write about screensaver. Screensaver are software programs that run automatically when the computer is not in use at certain time. Screensaver contain animated images and screensaver were designed to protect computer monitor from the decay of phosphorus coating. So the steps to install screensaver are: the first one is right click on any empty part of the desktop screen using the mouse. Click on the personalization option to open the personalization dialog box. Third one is click the screensaver option in the personalization dialog box. Choose the screensaver of your choice. And the last thing we can do, click the apply and OK button. So now we will learn about fill in the blanks in lesson number 3. So the first fill in the blank is Control plus S is used to dash. So the options are save, open, new or close. So the right answer is Control plus S is used to save. Second one is below the ruler, the large area is called the dash. So the options are text area, open area, close area, all of these. So below the ruler, the large area is called the text area. So the third fill in the blank is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, dash and dash. So the options are horizontal, vertical, left, right, up bar, lower bar, or none of these. So the right answer is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, horizontal and vertical. So our fourth fill in the blank is to open a new document, press dash key from the keyboard. So the options are Control plus O, Control plus N, Control plus S, and the last one is Control plus V. So the right answer is to open a new document, press the Control plus N keys from the keyboard. So the fifth fill in the blank is the dash view show the document as it will look when it is pressed. So the options are print layout, draft, outline, or full size. So the right answer is the print layout view show the document as it will look when it is pressed. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So our first question is write the name of option that is present at the bottom right corner of every group. So the answer is dialog box launcher. Second question is write the name of the topmost bar of Word document. So the right answer is title bar. Third one is which view of MS Word display the document in the same way as we get it after printing. So the right answer is print preview. Our fourth question is write the shortcut to create a new document. So the right answer is Control plus N. Fifth one is which layout view show the outline of a document. So the right answer is outline view. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So our first question is what is a word processor? The word processor is the most widely used application on the computer which help us to enter text through the computer keyboard. Word processing allows us to create documents and save them for future use. The biggest advantage of this is that the document can be modified before it is printed and the document does not need to be rewritten. Write the name of some word processing software. Some of the major word processing software are first one is WordPerfect, second one Notepad, third one is WordPad, and fourth one is MS Word. So the question number third is how to start the MS Word. So the steps to start MS Word are the first way is start, go to start, then click on all program, then move to Microsoft Office. Under Microsoft Office, select Microsoft Word option. The second way is type Word in the search bar and press enter key from the keyboard. And the third way is press the window key and R key together from the keyboard and a run dialog box will open. Type Win Word in its search box and press enter key from the keyboard or click the OK button. The fourth question is write the name of different part of the MS Word window. So name of the different part of the MS Word window are first one is file menu, second one quick access toolbar, third one title bar, fourth one tabs, fifth one ribbon, sixth one dialog box launcher, seventh one ruler, eighth one text area, ninth one vertical and horizontal scroll bar, 10th one status bar, 11th document view, 12 zoom slider. So next question is define text area. So the answer is the large area at the bottom of the ruler is called the text area. We can type our document in this text area. The vertical line flickering in the upper right corner is called the cursor. It represents the insertion point. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So our first question is explain the special feature of MS Word. So special feature of MS Word are, the first one is MS Word is a word processing application software developed by Microsoft Corporation which is used to create documents. MS Word is part of the MS Office software package. MS Word is a word processor software used for office tasks such as writing letter, creating notices, creating resume, merging mail, writing notes by student and many other documents. These documents can be saved and modified as needed in the future. You can add text anywhere in the document via the MS Word. Easily delete letters, word, line or pages. The next point is part of any text can be moved from one place to another in a document and reproduced over and over again. You can choose the size and margin of the page and the word processor will fit your text accordingly. In this, we can find one letter or line and replace it with another letter or line. With the help of font, we can change the size and style of the text. So second question is explain document views in MS Word. So there are 5 views of MS Word document are. First one is print layout view. The print layout view displays the document exactly as it appears after it is printed. Second one is full screen layout view. This layout helps us to make our document easily readable on the screen. Third one is web layout view. Web layout view enable our document to be displayed on any browser such as Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Fourth one is outline view. Outline view displays the document in outline form. Fifth one is draft view. Draft view is the most used view. We can quickly edit your document with the draft view. So the third question is how to create and save a new document in MS Word. So the steps to create a new document in MS Word are, first method is click on new option in the file menu. Select the blank document option. Click on the OK button. And the second method is press the Ctrl plus N key from the keyboard. So now we will learn about steps to save a new document in MS Word are, first method is click on the save option in the file menu. The save dialog box opens. Type the name of the document and click on the save button. And the second method is press the keyboard Ctrl plus S key from the keyboard. So we will now learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 4. So our first fill in the blank is to select a whole word, dash, click on it, and the option are single, double, triple or none. And the right answer is to select a whole word, double click on it. And the second fill in the blank is the dash group home tab allow us to change our text font style, size, color and many other elements. And the option are font, style, paragraph, and last one is editing. So the right answer is the font group home tab allow us to change our text font style, size, color and many other elements. And the third fill in the blank is dash means draw a horizontal line underneath the letters. And the option are bold, italic, underline, and the last one is none. And the right answer is underline means a horizontal line underneath the letters. And the fourth fill in the blank is dash option means that the text is shown like it was marked with a highlighter. And the option are font color, text highlight color, and the last one is all of the above. And the right answer is text highlight color option means that the text is shown like it was marked with a highlighter. And the fifth fill in the blank is After inserting a shape, a new tab will appear which is called dash, and the options are drawing tool format, shape tool format, drawing shape format, या none. So the right answer is after inserting a shape, a new tab will appear which is called drawing tool format. So now we will learn about write the shortcut keys for the following, and the first one is to cut the selected task, Control plus X shortcut key is used. The second one is to paste the cut or copied content, Control plus V shortcut key used. Third one is to increase the font size, Control plus right square bracket is used. Fourth one is to underline the text, we use Control plus U. To change the case of the selected text, we use Shift plus F3 shortcut key. And the sixth one is for center alignment, Control plus E shortcut key used. And the seventh one is for double line spacing, Control plus 2 shortcut key used. Eighth one is to replace the text, Control plus H shortcut key used. Ninth one is to undo the last operation, Control plus Z, that is called undo command, is used. And the 10th one is to insert page break, Control plus enter shortcut key is used. So now we will learn about short answer type questions. So our first question is write about the undo command. So if an error occurs while editing the text, it can be corrected using the undo command. To correct an error, click on the command from the quick access bar as shown in the picture, or press the Control plus Z keys from the keyboard. So next question is what are the three main font style? So the three main font style are as follow. The first one is bold, second one is italic, and the third one is underline. So our third question is what are the header and footer in MS Word? The header is the part of our document that appears in the top margin of our document, while the footer part appears at the bottom of the page. The header and footer usually contain additional information such as page number, date, author name, etc. The text written in the header and footer appears on every page of the document. So our fourth question is how many change case options are available in MS Word? Write their names. So there are 5 options available to change the case in MS Word. Their name are as follow. First one is sentence case, second one is lowercase, third one is uppercase, fourth one is capitalize each word, and the fifth one is toggle case. So our fifth question is how many alignment are available in MS Word? Write their names and shortcut keys. So there are 4 ways to do alignment in MS Word. Their name and shortcut key are as follow. First one is left alignment, and their shortcut key is Control plus L. Second one is center alignment, and their shortcut key is Control plus E. Third one is right alignment, and their shortcut key is Control plus R. And the fourth one is justify, and their shortcut key is Control plus J. So our sixth question is how can we insert page break in MS Word? So when we reach at the bottom of the page, Word automatically insert a page break at the bottom of the page. But if we want to insert a page break at any particular place in the document, we can insert a page break using the Control plus Enter key to insert a page break. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So our first question is write about the clipboard group option of Home tab in MS Word. So the clipboard group is the first group of Microsoft Word Home tab. It has 4 options: cut, copy, paste, and format painter, as shown in the right side of the picture. So the first one is cut or copy text. If we want to copy or move a text from one place to another in our document, then we have to use the cut, copy, and paste command in our document. The second command is paste. If you have cut or copied the text, then it needs to be pasted anywhere in the document. Firstly, move the cursor to the place where you want to paste the cut or copied text. Third one is Format Painter. So with the help of Format Painter, we can quickly copy the formatting already applied to the text in our document. So our second question is, write about the option available in font group of the Home tab in MS Word. The Home tab font group in MS Word allow us to set the font style, texture, color and more of the text. So the first one is font face and font size. So a font is a set of text character to be printed on a particular face. A font face or typeface is a design that defines the appearance of characters. Arial and Times New Roman are example of the font faces. So now we will learning about font size. Font size defines the font size. We can make the text size bigger or smaller according to our needs. And the second command is font style. So we can make our text bold, italic and underline using the font style command. And the third one is font color. Using font color, we can type our text with different colors. Fourth one is text highlight color. So text highlight color is used to select a text and display it with a dark background. And the fifth one is text effect. Using text effect, we can apply effect like outline, shadow, glow and reflection on our text. And the sixth one is changing text case. We can change any character in a word from lowercase to uppercase or from uppercase to sentence case or in any other way. So our third question is, what is Wordart? How will you insert Wordart in a Word document? So Wordart is used in document to insert special text effect. So Wordart consists of text object. The steps to insert Wordart in a document are as follows. First, click on the Insert tab, then click on the Advanced Art option in the text group. Select the Wordart object according to your need as shown in the right side of the picture. So enter text in Wordart and it will appear in your sheet. So we will now learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 5. So the first fill in the blank is, after selecting a picture, dash tab appears and their options are Format, Page Layout, Insert and View. And the right answer is, after selecting a picture, Format tab appears. And the second one is, for text wrapping, we can use dash option and their options are square, tight, behind text or all of these. And the right answer is, for text wrapping, we can use all of these options. And third one is, to remove any unwanted part of picture, dash option is used and their options are crop, rotate, group and the last one is compress. So the right answer is, to remove any unwanted parts of picture, crop option is used. And the fourth one is, which of the following option is not available in the adjust group of Format tab? And their options are correction, artistic effect, remove background and the last one is picture style. So the right answer is, the picture style option is not available in the adjust group of Format tab. And the fifth one is, we can find the number of words in the dash bar at the bottom of the window and their options are taskbar, status bar, title bar and scroll bar. So the right answer is, we can find the number of words in the status bar at the bottom of the window. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So first question is, which option split the text into 2 or more columns? So the right answer is, under page layout, select column option. And the second one is, which page orientation sets the page in horizontal direction? And the right answer is, landscape page orientation set the page in horizontal direction. Third one is, which option is used to group 2 or more images together so that they can be treated as a single object. And the right answer is under the format select group option, which help us to group two or more images together so that they can be treated as a single object. And the fourth one is which option can be used to change the color of a picture in MS Word, and the right answer is under the format tab select the color option. And the fifth one is which option is used to count word in MS Word, and the right answer is word count option is used to count word in MS Word. So now we will learn about short answer type questions. Our first question is what are margin? So page margin is the space around the edges of a page. We insert text and graphics into the printable area between the margin. There are four main type of margin. The first one is left margin, second one is right margin, third one is upper margin, and the fourth one is lower margin. So we can change this margin as per our requirement. And the second question is what do you mean by compressed picture? The compressed picture option is in the adjust group in the format tab. This option can be used to reduce the size of the file. File size can be reduced by compressing images in the MS Word, which reduces the resolution and deleting cropped area. Third one is write about reset picture. After selecting an image, the format tab appears. This option of the adjust group of the format tab eliminate the formatting and editing of the selected image. Fourth one is what is crop option? So using the crop option, we can remove unnecessary part of an image. When we select an image, the format tab appear. It contains the crop command in the size group. And the fifth one is give the name of two orientation in MS Word. The orientation specify page, portrait or landscape format. Portrait means the page is set vertically, and the landscape means the page is set horizontally. And the sixth one is write the name of various options available in the adjust group of picture tool format tab. The first group in the format tab is the adjust group. It has the following main option as given in the right side of the picture. So the first one is correction, second one is color, third one is artistic effect, fourth one is compress picture, fifth one is change picture, sixth one is reset picture, and the last one is remove background. So now we will learn about long answer type question. And our first question is what is watermark? Write the step to add a watermark in a Word document. So watermark are text or picture that appear behind the text in a document. In Word, we find a gallery of created watermark, or we can create a new watermark and set it behind the text of the document. So steps to apply watermark in Word document are: the first one is click on the page layout tab. Second one is click on the watermark option in the page background group. Then select the watermark as needed in the watermark gallery. And the second question is write a note on the spelling and grammar check feature of MS Word. So MS Word allows us to check and correct spelling and grammar error in a document. So the steps to check spelling and grammar are: click on the review tab, click on the spelling and grammar command. After that, correct the mistake as suggested in the spelling and grammar dialog box or as per your understanding, and then click on the close button. So we will now learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 6. So our first fill in the blank is dash key is used to move the cursor in the next adjoining cell of a table, and their options are Control, Shift, Tab, and the last one is Home, and the right answer is Tab key is used to move the cursor in the next adjoining cell of a table. Second one is the table button is present on the dash tab, and their options are Home, Layout, Insert, and the last one is View. So the right answer is the table button is present on the Insert tab. Third one is We can change the width of a column by selecting the dash button in the table group, and their options are select, view grid lines, property, or none of these. So the right answer is we can change the width of a column by selecting the property button in the table group. And the fourth one is a dash consists of a number of columns and rows, and their options are document, table, view, and data. And the right answer is a table consists of a number of columns and rows. And the fifth one is a dash is an intersection of column and rows, and their options are cell, table, view, data. And the right answer is a cell is an intersection of column and rows. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So the first question is, which key is used to move the cursor to the next cell in a table? So the right answer is tab key is used to move the cursor to the next cell in a table. Second one is intersection of a column and row is called cell. Third one is which group of layout tab contain the split cell option, and their answer is merge group. And the other one is fourth one is which option can be used to join two or more cells. So the right answer is merge cell option can be used to join two or more cells. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So the first question is define table. So tables are an easy way to write data in row and column. Tables are often used to present data in the organized form. The table is made up of a combination of rows and columns. Second one is write the name of option for inserting a table in Word document. So following are the different ways to insert a table into a Word document. The first one is using the table button. Second one is using the insert table option, and third one is using the draw table option. And the third question is what is the use of split cell option? Splitting a cell in a table means dividing it into two or more cells. The option to split the cell is available in the layout tab of table tool. And the fourth one is what is the use of merge cell option? The merge cell means to combine two or more cells in a table to form a single cell. The option to merge cell is available in the layout tab of table tools. And the fifth one is how will you enter data in table cell? So click on the cell in which you want to enter data. Now type the data in the cell. Use the tab key or the right arrow key to move to the next cell of the table. Similarly, use shift plus tab key or left arrow to move from any cell to the previous cell. So now we will learn about long answer type questions. So first question is how do you insert a table in your document? Explain any method briefly. So there are several ways to insert a table into a document. Following is an easy way to insert a table in MS Word document. So click on the table button in the insert tab. Click on the insert table option from the drop down menu. The insert table dialog box appears. Enter the number of columns and rows as required. Click on the OK button. And the second question is explain property button in layout tab. So when we click on a table in the Word document, layout tab will appear. Now click on the property button that is available in the table group. It opens a dialog box. Using this dialog box, we can perform the following main task on the table. Set the alignment of the table, change the height of the table rows, change the width of the table columns, and we can change the size of the cell, etc. So we will now learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 7. So the first fill in the blank is multimedia is a combination of two words dash, and their options are images, sound, audio, video, multimedia, hardware, software. And the right answer is multimedia is a combination of two words multi and media. And the second one is animation is of two types. These are dash, and their options are analog digital, static hyper, raster bitmap, path, frame. So the right answer is animation is of two types. These are path and frame. And the third one is requirement for multimedia are dash and dash, and their option are images, sound, analog, digital, hardware, software, and multimedia. And the right answer is requirement of multimedia are hardware and software. And the fourth one is input devices consist of dash and dash, and their option are monitor, printer, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, and the last one is hardware, software. So input device consists of keyboard and mouse. In multimedia, text is of dash and dash type, and their option are analog, digital, raster, bitmap, static, hyper, and the last one is path, frame. And the right answer is in multimedia, text is of static and hyper type. So now we will learn about very short answer type question, and our first question is, in how many types a video can be classified? And the answer is two types, that is analog and digital videos. Second one is, there are how many type of text? So the right answer is two types. First one is static and second one is hypertext. And third question is, write the name of any one type of animation. So the answer is path animation. The question number 4 is, write any one application of multimedia. So the right answer is education and entertainment field. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So the first question is, what is an animation? Animation is a part of multimedia. The animation show static images moving. A variety of effects are added to these images to speed them up. Software such as PowerPoint, Flash, etc. are used to create animation. And the second one is, what is video? So video is a part of multimedia. In multimedia, video is used to convey information in a better way. The video captures the motion picture as well as the sound. And the third one is, what is multimedia conferencing? Multimedia conferencing is also called video conferencing. This is an influential area of information technology. It can be used to communicate face-to-face with people sitting at a distance. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So first question is, what is multimedia? Explain the component of multimedia. The word multimedia is a combination of two words, that is multi and media. Multi means two or more and media means medium. Thus, multimedia is a technology in which information is distributed using a variety of mediums. The following are major components of multimedia. The first one is text. So text are the written information which is called text. Second one is sound. Sound help us to explain an idea clearly. Third one is animation. It is the motion effect on static images or text. Fourth one is images. Images are an essential part of multimedia. Fifth one is video. Video contains motion pictures as well as sound. And the second one is, what are the requirements for multimedia? The basic requirements for multimedia are hardware and software. These are as follow. The first one is hardware requirement. In hardware requirement, we need input device and output device. And the second one is storage device software requirement. So these are used to modify and manage the element of multimedia. For example, Adobe Director, Media Blender, Multimedia Builder, etc. And the third one is, what is a multimedia presentation? What should we keep in mind before preparing multimedia presentation? So a topic can be presented effectively using multimedia presentation. Text, sound, video, animation, and pictures are the important component of a multimedia presentation. So following are some of the points that we should keep in mind before preparing a multimedia presentation. The first one is, text should be keep minimum. Second one is, sound quality should be good. Third one is, the user should be able to use the keyboard and mouse. And the fourth one is, it should be small in size. And the fourth one is, write down application of multimedia. So multimedia is used in many fields. Some of the important application area of multimedia are given below. The first one is multimedia is used in the field of education. Second one is multimedia is used to represent the model of human body in medical science. And the third one is multimedia is used in the field of entertainment. The fourth one is it is used to inform customer at a railway station, bank, etc. And the last one is it is used for face-to-face communication with people living far away. So now we will learn about fill in the blank in lesson number 8. So first fill in the blank is primary memory is also called dash, and their options are internal memory, external memory, physical memory, and auxiliary memory. So the right answer is primary memory is also called internal memory. Second one is dash memory is not a read-only memory, and their options are ROM, PROM, EPROM, and the last one is RAM. And the right answer is RAM memory is not a read-only memory. And the third one is dash is not a portable storage device, and their options are external hard disk, pen drive, hard disk drive, memory card. So the right answer is hard disk drive is not a portable storage device. And the fourth one is the memory is divided into number of parts called dash, and their options are cell, area, intersection, or none of these. So the right answer is the memory is divided into number of small parts called cells. And the fifth one is USB means dash, and their options are uniform service book, universal serial bus, universal straight bus, and the last one is uniform serial bus. And the right answer is USB means universal serial bus. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So the first question is what is the capacity of floppy disk, and their answer is 1.44 MB. And the second one is what is the capacity of compact disk. So the right answer is 700 MB. And third one is which memory unit is usually used to measure the storage capacity of hard disk, and the right answer is gigabyte. And the fourth one is which is having greater storage capacity out of CD or DVD, and the right answer is DVD. And the fifth one is which computer port is used to attach pen drive, and the right answer is USB, that is universal serial bus. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So the first question is what is memory? Write down to main category of memory. The ability of a computer system to store data is called memory. Computer memory is used to store data, program, and instruction permanently or temporarily so that it can be used before or after processing as needed. Memory is also used to store the result obtained from processing. Memory is divided into a smaller part that is called cell. So there are two types of memory. The first one is primary memory, and the second one is secondary memory. And the second question is write the name of any 4 secondary memory devices. So the name of the secondary memory are as follows. The first one is hard disk, second one is external hard disk, third one is floppy disk, fourth one is magnetic tape, fifth one is compact disk, sixth one is digital video disk, seventh one is pen drive, and the last one is memory card. And the third question is what is memory card? A memory card is a type of storage media used to store movies, photo, music, and other data in digital camera, handheld computer, MP3 player, mobile phone, game console, and printer. The data in the memory card can be read with the help of card reader or data cable. Its storage capacity ranges from 4 MB to 512 gigabyte. And the fourth one is write a short note on pen drive. The pen drive is portable secondary memory. This is a USB based memory device. It is used to transfer data from one computer to another. Its size is very small and the speed is very fast. They also have higher storage capacity. And the fifth one is write about CDs. The CD is portable secondary memory. The full name of the CD is compact disk. It has a much higher storage capacity than a floppy disk. It can store up to 650 up to 700 MB data. We can only read the store information in it but cannot rewrite it. One side of it is very bright, on which data and information is stored. This is a reliable memory. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So the first question is, write a short note on primary memory. So primary memory is also called internal memory or main memory. This memory is part of the CPU. The primary memory store only the data and instruction that the computer is currently working on. It uses microconductor, which are very fast and special type of electronic circuit. The larger the size of the computer main memory is, the fastest the computer is considered. So there are two types of primary memory. The first one is RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. This memory only stores those data and instruction that the computer is working on. And the second one is ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. This memory stores the instructions to start the computer. And the second one is, what is hard disk drive? Explain. So internal hard disk is also called fixed disk. It is a permanent type of memory. It works at a lower speed than primary memory. The CPU does not use the data directly in them. The data on the hard disk is first sent to the main memory, then the CPU uses it. It is made up of one or more strong metal plate with a layer of metal oxide on them. Data is magnetically recorded on the hard disk. So data is stored on all disks except the one at the bottom and the one at the top of the internal hard disk. Each disk has a read-write head. The platter attached to the hard disk rotate the disk at high speed. The disk rotates at a speed of 5400 to 7200 cycles per minute. The storage capacity of a typical computer can range from 20 gigabyte to 1 terabyte. And the third question is, what is secondary memory? Explain any one secondary memory device. So secondary memory is also called external memory, auxiliary memory or physical memory. Data and information can be stored for a long time in secondary memory. The electricity in it does not go away when it is gone. Its ability to read and write data is slower than main memory. It also costs very little. Secondary memory is used as auxiliary memory due to its ability to store more information. And the first secondary memory device is digital versatile disk, that is DVD. The full name of the DVD is digital versatile disk or digital video disk. It is similar to a CD but has 6 times more storage capacity than a CD. DVD are used to store the best multimedia presentation and movies that are made up of great sound and graphics. A DVD drive is used to read and write data from a DVD. DVD storage capacity range from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. And the fourth question is, write precaution that we must follow while using a CD or DVD. The following precaution should be taken when using CD or DVD. The CD or DVD should be kept on the cover. The bright side of the CD or DVD should not be touched. The bright side of the CD or DVD should not be written with a pen or pencil. Do not bend CD or DVD. A soft cloth should be used to clean the CD or DVD. And the fifth question is, what is external hard disk drive? Write its advantages. External hard disk is a portable secondary memory. This is a USB based memory device. It has a very high storage capacity. It is commonly used to back up data. After storing the data in it, it can be removed from the computer and stored in some safe place. So the advantages of external hard disk drive are: external hard disk is portable secondary memory. It can be easily moved from one place to another. It allows the user to back up data and store information separately from the internal hard drive. And the last one is, after storing the data in it, it can be removed from the computer and keep in a safe place. So student, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get notification of more videos like this. Thank you.